ready to unlock the secrets to finding your next Amazon bestseller. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Jungle Scout to unearth profitable product opportunities, analyze trends, and size up your competition. Setting you up for Amazon FBA success, let's get started. First, head to Jungle Scout's product database. This is your gold mine. Start by setting your filters. Think about your interests and initial criteria. For example, maybe you want to focus on products in the home and kitchen category. Set a minimum and maximum price range, let's say $20 to $50, and a minimum monthly sales target of at least 300 units. Now, once you find a promising product, add it to the product tracker. This tool lets you monitor its performance over time, including sales, price, and ranking. Observe the trends. Are sales consistent, or are they seasonal? Is the price fluctuating wildly? This helps you gauge long-term viability. Next, use Keyword Scout to find high-potential keywords related to your chosen product. Input a broad term like bamboo cutting board, and see what related keywords are frequently searched. Focus on keywords with high search volume and low competition. These are your golden tickets to driving traffic to your listing. Don't forget about Jungle Scout's Opportunity Finder. This tool helps you discover emerging niches and trending product categories. It analyzes key metrics like demand, competition, and seasonality to identify and tap potential. Look for niches with a high opportunity score. This indicates a sweet spot of high demand and low competition. Once you've validated your product, use the Supplier Database to find reputable manufacturers. Jungle Scout verifies suppliers, so you can be confident you're working with reliable partners. Analyze their pricing and production capabilities. And that's it. By using Jungle Scout strategically, you can make data-driven decisions, minimize risk, and maximize your chances of launching a successful Amazon business. Now go out there and find your winning product. Good luck!